Dogo Argentino. The Dogo Argentino, sometimes called the Argentinian mastiff or the Argentine Dogo, is a strong, athletic, and loyal breed. They can be both fierce hunters and gentle protectors of their humans. These active dogs also have a high prey drive, a strong will, and at times, a distrust of strangers and other animals. They may not be suitable for homes with cats unless they've been properly socialized. They will need an experienced dog owner to handle the breed. While this breed sometimes has a poor reputation, they can be incredible companions with the proper training and socialization. A Dogo Argentino puppy will need lots of physical activity and mental stimulation, along with patient training. Otherwise, they can become bored and destructive. Dogo Argentinos are often used to help with big game hunting, though they are also trained for police work, search and rescue, and military work. Despite their imposing appearance, their kindness and loyalty also make the breed capable of service and therapy work. When considering a Dogo Argentino, it's advisable to prioritize adopting from rescue organizations or shelters to provide a loving home to a dog in need. However, if you decide to purchase, it's crucial to choose a reputable breeder. Conduct thorough research to ensure that the breeder follows ethical practices and prioritizes the well-being of their dogs. Reputable Dogo Argentino breeders prioritize the health and temperament of their dogs, conduct necessary health screenings, and provide a nurturing environment for the puppies. This active approach ensures that you bring home a healthy and happy pup while discouraging unethical breeding practices. Quick facts. Origin: Argentina. Size: male 24-27 inches, 61 to 69 centimeters. Tall at the shoulder: 88, 100 pounds, 40 to 45 kilograms. Female 22-25 inches, 56 to 64 centimeters. Tall at the shoulder: 75, 90 pounds, 34 to 41 kilograms. Breed group: working. Lifespan: 10-12 years. Coat: short, smooth coat that is completely white. Temperament: loyal, protective, courageous, and intelligent. Exercise needs: high. Training: requires early and consistent training. Health: some health problems that are common in the breed include hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, and eye problems. Because they are used in dog fighting rings, Dogo Argentinos have been deemed dangerous and banned in several countries, including Australia, the Cayman Islands, Denmark, Fiji, Iceland, Singapore, and Ukraine. In the United Kingdom, it is illegal to own one without lawful authority. Bombon El Perro is a movie that follows the journey of a man and his Dogo Argentino dog named Bombon in Patagonia. The story unfolds as a man's fortunes take a turn for the better when he receives the dog as a gift for assisting a stranded woman on the highway. Dogo Argentino overview. The large, muscular Dogo Argentino was bred for strength and big game hunting, especially for bringing down wild boars. Despite its capability for aggression when it comes to hunting, the Dogo Argentino generally has a happy disposition, and it is fiercely loyal to its human family. This breed's strength requires a firm, active trainer who is capable of keeping big dogs in line, and they need strict boundaries. A tall, strong fence for the yard is a must, or else the Dogo Argentino's prey drive can lead them to chase small animals or wander. Socialization with other humans and pets is also key to keeping the Dogo Argentino's natural caution around strangers and other animals in check. Dogo Argentinos need to stay active, or they may become bored and prone to destructive behavior. They should not be left alone for long periods of time. With the right training and a good, loving home, the Dogo Argentino can make a courageous and dedicated family companion, as well as an excellent watchdog. Dogo Argentino highlights: majestic appearance. Dogo Argentinos are powerful and muscular dogs with a striking all-white coat. Loyalty. They are renowned for their unwavering loyalty and devotion to their families. Courageous guardians. These dogs make excellent guard dogs due to their protective instincts. Versatile athletes. Dogo Argentinos are highly athletic and excel in various canine sports and activities. Intelligence. They are intelligent and can be trained for obedience and other tasks. Friendly and social. With proper socialization, they can be friendly and sociable with people and other pets. Low grooming needs. Their short coat requires minimal grooming, making them relatively low maintenance in terms of grooming. Hunting heritage. Originally bred for big game hunting, they have a strong prey drive and may not be suitable for households with small pets. Strong work ethic. Dogo Argentinos have a strong work ethic and thrive in an environment where they have a job to do. Health considerations. Responsible breeding practices are essential to address potential health issues, including hip dysplasia and deafness, which can occur in the breed. Dogo Argentino history. The Dogo Argentino is a descendant of the now extinct fighting dog of Cordoba, a large, fierce dog bred for, as the name implies, fighting. A man named Antonio Nores Martinez from Argentina wanted a fearless hunting dog that could handle the terrain of his homeland, as well as being a loyal companion. In the 1920s, Martinez began to use selective breeding and aimed to reduce the dog's desire to fight so it could cooperate in a pack, and he worked to replace the fighting instinct with the need to hunt. Several breeds were mixed to achieve the desired traits that are seen in the Dogo Argentino breed. Martinez created a trustworthy companion dog with a strong prey drive and muscular build, ideal for hunting in the rugged terrain of Argentina or being a loyal family guardian. Sadly, the breed is still sometimes used in dog fighting rings because of its strength and fearless nature. Dogo Argentino size. Dogo Argentinos are large dogs that grow to a standard height of about 24 to 27 inches at the shoulder. Males tend to be slightly taller than females by about an inch on average. The breed usually weighs between 80 and 100 pounds. The body is usually slightly longer than it is tall, and Dogo Argentinos have large, broad heads that make them resemble the American Bulldog or the American Pit Bull Terrier. Although these sizes are considered breed standard, some Dogo Argentinos may be quite a bit bigger or smaller. Dogo Argentino personality. The Dogo Argentino is a loyal breed with a tendency to be highly territorial, making them excellent watchdogs. They are fierce defenders of their human families, even children, though their strong prey drive makes them poor companions for other animals like cats or smaller dogs. That prey drive does, however, make them great hunters, able to take down wild boars with their ferocity and strength. They are independent dogs that need an experienced owner to handle their training needs, especially when it comes to socialization, as the Dogo Argentino is known for being less than welcoming to strangers and other dogs. They are strong-willed and need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, so apartment living isn't the ideal situation for them. It is best to begin their training early as puppies. Dogo Argentino health. Dogo Argentinos can be susceptible to several health concerns, including a significant issue known as pigment-related deafness, affecting approximately 10% of dogs in the breed, potentially in one or both ears. This condition is also observed in predominantly white-colored breeds, such as Dalmatians, white boxers, and white bull terriers. Additionally, the breed may be prone to other health conditions, including hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a medical condition where the thyroid gland in the neck does not produce enough thyroid hormones. This deficiency can lead to a range of symptoms, including fatigue, weight gain, skin issues, and changes in behavior. In dogs, it can cause lethargy, hair loss, weight gain, and various metabolic disturbances. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is an eye condition characterized by increased pressure within the eye, which can lead to damage to the optic nerve and potential vision loss. Symptoms may include eye redness, pain, tearing, and changes in pupil size. It is considered an emergency in dogs and requires immediate veterinary attention. Laryngeal paralysis. Laryngeal paralysis is a condition where the muscles that control the movement of the larynx, voice box, become weak or paralyzed. This can lead to breathing difficulties, including noisy or labored breathing, especially during physical activity or in hot weather. Laryngeal paralysis is more common in certain breeds, including some large breeds. Hip dysplasia. Hip dysplasia is a genetic condition where the hip joint does not develop properly, leading to instability and potential degeneration over time. It can cause varying degrees of pain, lameness, and mobility issues, particularly in larger dog breeds. Hip dysplasia is a common orthopedic concern in dogs and may require medical or surgical intervention for management. Dogo Argentino care. It is important to provide Dogo Argentinos with plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, as they may become bored, anxious, and destructive if their needs are not met. As with dogs of any breed, you should keep up with regular vet checkups, keep their teeth clean, and groom them as needed. They should have their ears checked weekly and their nails trimmed monthly. Ask your veterinarian about your individual dog's needs and make sure you keep up with at-home care. Dogo Argentino. Feeding Dogo Argentinos will need a diet formulated for large breed dogs with plenty of fresh, clean water. They are a fairly high-energy breed, which should also be taken into account. Feeding needs will change from puppyhood into adulthood. The best way to create an appropriate feeding plan for your individual Dogo Argentino is to speak to your veterinarian or a professional nutritionist about their needs. They will be able to provide you with specific guidance. Dogo Argentino coat color and grooming. The Dogo Argentino has a short, all-white coat, though there is sometimes a black spot on the head. Though the coat is short and fairly easy to maintain, the size of the Dogo Argentino makes the grooming process a little more difficult. Dogo Argentinos should be brushed weekly and bathed every 3 months or sooner if they get dirty. They will shed a fair amount, but the length of their coat makes this a little bit less noticeable than long-haired breeds. Still, you do well to have a lint roller on hand. Dogo Argentino. Children and other pets. Dogo Argentinos are very loyal to their families, including children, so long as they are introduced and accustomed to their presence. However, visiting children may present a bit more of a challenge, as this breed does not naturally take to strangers. Children should always be supervised with dogs, even when they are family, and they should be trained on how to interact with animals to avoid incidents. Socializing Dogo Argentinos early and training them to interact with new people and animals will help, and the earlier training begins, the better. Dogo Argentinos have a high prey drive, which can cause trouble when it comes to smaller pets, including cats and other dogs. They may learn to interact with these animals if they are trained and socialized properly, but this breed is best suited to a home that has no other pets or only has other large dogs. Dogo Argentino rescue groups. If you're considering adopting a Dogo Argentino from a rescue group, you may want to explore the following. DC Dogos, No Kill Network. Dogo Argentino breed organizations. Finding a reputable dog breeder is one of the most important decisions you will make when bringing a new dog into your life. Reputable breeders are committed to breeding healthy, well-socialized puppies that will make great companions. They will screen their breeding stock for health problems, socialize their puppies from a young age, and provide you with lifetime support. On the other hand, backyard breeders are more interested in making a profit than in producing healthy, well-adjusted dogs. They may not screen their breeding stock for health problems, and they may not socialize their puppies properly. As a result, puppies from backyard breeders are more likely to have health problems and behavioral issues.